Guinness on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday night, Wednesday through to Friday, I think I feel alright. Saturday with chasers, a double at midnight. Now we're back to Sunday, Guinness, you're alright. Sunday, poker Monday night, women through to Friday, I think I feel alright. Saturday I'm plastered, I'm chatting up your wife. Now we're back to Sunday, Guinness, you're alright. Sunday, movies Monday night, dead on Friday, she's got me wrapped up tight. Saturday I'm back, drinking till midnight, now we're back.
Dalla Romagna a Galway è un attimo solo con Domino. She was trying to 15
into the brazen head, the oldest. Jameson to the reggaeton boys, don't let it stand. The Liffey turned the porter in the promised land. Tempered in the high. He spilled his pint again. The Liffey turned the portal at St. Patrick's night. Yeah. Bring it down, bring it down. Down in Cork City, by the Lee so wide, we stormed the pub on Paddy's night with pride. Beamish on the taps, but we don't care. Guinness and Jameson, we're living there. To hell or to Connacht, but never to bed. We'll drink till the cows come home instead. Rebel boys, rebel girls, give a shout and cheer for Guinness and Jameson, the best of the year.